Hi guys, it's Miss Jessica, and we are on the letter J, and J says ja, 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 like jump, and Jessica, and Jenna, and James, and Juliet, and Julie. I hope I didn't forget anybody. We're going to sound out some words that begin with that letter J sound. Remember, J says ja, ja, ja. All right, guys, we're going to go slow and stretch them out. Then we're going to go a little faster, and then we're going to read it fast. Are you ready? All right, super readers, here we go. Ja, et, jet. Jet. Ja. Jam. Remember that AM makes that am sound like our sight word. Am. Ja. Am. Ja. G. Jug. Jug. Like, where's my jug of juice? Next word. J. A. T. Jot. Jot. Let me jot down a note really quick. J. A. G. Jog. Jog. Miss Jessica does not like to jog. What is special about this word? It has a capital letter. Why would this word have a capital letter? Did you say because it's a special name? Absolutely, you are right. Kiss your brains, guys. Ja. Jim. Jim. Jim has a pink dog. Another capital J. This must be what, guys? A special name. Very good. An. Jan. Remember that A and that N make that an sound. They work together to make the an sound. An. Jan likes to jump. All right, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to practice reading these words with mom and dad, or to a stuffed animal, or to brother and sister. And also, don't forget that our vowels make that middle sound. So maybe you can tell them what vowel is in the middle of your word. So when you say the word jet, ja, et, what vowel is in the middle? Good job, guys.